Here we are in Chapter 2 review exercises numbers 27 through 33. Number 27, 28, they give us the formulas. Using the formula I equals PRT, looks like simple interest. Find the missing variable. So we just stick it in and we have our equation. So 776.52 equals P, we don't know, times R times T. So 0.04 times 7. So that's times 0.28. And we have our equation. Let's divide by 0.28, divide by 0.28, and we should get our answer there. P equals, I'm going to have to pull out the calculator for that one. 776.52 divided by 0.28, 2773.29 if we round appropriately. 2773.29. And that's probably dollars and cents. Let's label that guy right there. Oh, good. Okay, so the next one is number 28. Oh, look, we have the formula right there. So let's stick the 95 right up in there and then solve it. So we get 95 equals 5/9 F minus 32. Get rid of the parentheses, jump those in. We get 95 equals 5/9 F minus 160/9. Times through by 9 everywhere, and that'll get rid of all the fractions. We get 800 and, what is that, 55, 65, 865? 855 equals 5F minus 160. So add 160 over here and we get 1015 equals 5F. Divide by 5 and we get F is 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Alrighty, number 29. Find the missing variable for a rectangle. Looks like we're doing the perimeter. So perimeter equals 2L plus 2W. So 532 equals 2L, which we don't know, plus 2 times 119. So we get 532 equals 2L plus 238. Subtract 238 from both sides, and we get 2L equals 294. That's what it looks like. Just double check that. 532 minus 238. It equals 294. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and the length is going to be divided by 2, and we get 147. We are in centimeters. So 147 centimeters. Number 30. This is a cone. Surface area is the formula we've got. Surface area of a cone is pi r squared plus pi rl. So 540 equals pi times radius squared. So if 6 goes in for the radius, this is 36 times pi plus pi times 6 times L. So 6 times pi times L there. All right, can we simplify it? Yeah, the L is already, there aren't multiple L's, there aren't fractions or parentheses, so subtract 36 pi, 540 minus 36 pi. If you want to turn that into a decimal, that's fine. Equals 6 pi L, then just divide by 6 pi, divide by 6 pi, and we have L by itself. Let's stick this in and see what it looks like. We have 540 minus 36 pi, so that's 26.90 divided by 6 pi. Make sure the 6 and the pi go in parentheses so that the 6 pi is all on the bottom. Otherwise, order of operations, it'll divide by the 6 and then times by the pi, putting the pi up on the top. So L is 22.65. L is 22.65, and we're in inches squared for area, inches for length, so that's in inches. 22.65 inches. All right, number 31. Find the missing variable for a rectangular solid. So this is a box. Surface area is the formula we need. So we look that up and we get surface area is 2 length widths plus 2 length heights plus 2 width heights. So length times width, so that's the side of the box, or the top and the bottom of the box. Length times height, sides of the box, and the width heights is the front and the back of the box. All right, so we have 649 goes right here, and that equals 2 times L times 3.2 plus 2 times L times 7 plus 2 times 3.2 times 7. Ooh, what does that equal? 649, let's simplify it down a little bit. We get 6.4L plus 14L plus 2 times 3.2 times 7. 2 times 3.2 times 7. And we get 44.8 over there. 44.8. Combine those and we get 649 equals 6.4 and 14. That's 20.4 L. And then plus that 44.8. All right, subtract the 44.8 over here, and we're going to get 604.2 equals 20.4 L. So we subtracted 44.8 from both sides. Now divide by the 20.4. Divide by the 20.4. Oh boy, 604.2 divided by 20.4. Enter. We get 29.61. 29.6. 29.6. Area is in centimeters squares, so the length, width, and height are in centimeters. Good. Number 32. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 76 centimeters, so we're going to be using perimeter as 2L plus 2W, and the length is 8 longer than, that's a plus sign, the width, then we can stick 76 in for the perimeter. That's 76 equals 2 lengths, which is 8 plus W altogether, plus 2W. So that guy needs to go in right there. So they tell us what the perimeter is, they tell us what the length is, so now we've got to find the width. So 76 equals 16 plus 2W plus 2W. Subtract 16 and we get 60 equals 4W. Divide by 4 and we get W is 15. The width is 15 and we are in centimeters. So the width is 15 centimeters. All right, number 33. The perimeter of a triangle, so let's draw the triangle out here, is 74 millimeters. Now remember, we're just going to add up these three sides. We have, it looks like a medium side, shortest side, and a longest side. Those are the three sides, so short, medium, and long. Now just at the outset, we could say, hey, the short plus the medium plus the long has to equal 74. That'll help us here. Let me see. The medium side is 11 millimeters longer than the shortest. So that is 11 more than the shortest. And the longest side is, there's an equal sign, 3 less than, so it's a minus 3 out here, 4 times the shortest, so 4 times the shortest. So if we add up that, and that, it has to add up to 74 for perimeter. You'll notice that's exactly what we're doing. We'll take this, put that guy right there, and this one right there. So we have shortest plus medium, which is 11 longer than the shortest, plus the longest side, which is 4 times the shortest, and then 3 less than that, equals a 74. Whew. Look, we now have a math equation. That was great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 S's. Plus 11 minus 3, that's plus 8 equals 74. Subtract 8 from both sides, and it's 6s equals what? 66. So the small side divided by 6 is 11 millimeters, which means if this is 11, then this is 22 millimeters. That's 11, 22, and then 4 times 11 is 44 minus 3 is that's a 41. Does that really add up to 74? 11 plus 22 is 33, plus 41 would be 74. Indeed. Excellent.